3, 2, 1.
Yes! Oh my God!
Hey, what's up? My name's Vitaly, and this is my friend Brandy, but you guys already know her, and we're here at Pocket Watch Studios doing Gummy Vs Real. What are the rules? Well, we have plates in front of us. Under these plates are going to be things that we can eat. So it's either going to be a gummy thing or a real thing. And the person that eats more things wins. Okay. Now that we have the plates in front of us, we can say switch. Brandy, you can say switch first. So if you say switch, we switch plates. If you don't say switch and you're like, no, stay, we stay and eat whatever's in front of us.
Okay.
Is that clear enough?
It's very clear. Let me just get a feel of this.
You can't move it, by the way. You can look at it.
Okay.
You can smell it, but you can't move it.
Smells like metal. Yep. Okay. I feel good about this.
You're gonna eat it?
I'm gonna eat it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! I got gummy pizza!
I could, if an intruder came in, I could hurt them with this. It's just
that is
solid.
hard. No, you have to take a bigger bite. You can't take a tiny bite. I had 4 slices.
I like the taste of cardboard.
Yay! Okay, we each get a point.
This is scraping the roof of my mouth.
Okay, so we're now on to round 2. The score is 1-1, making 2, round 2. We did a hold last time. I'm gonna do a switch this time. 1, 2, 3, switch. And the reveal comes in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Yes! This is amazing! I am so right. I love gummy food, but actually I love cheeseburgers too.
Okay, this is soft.
This is soft.
This feels like you just got it from McDonald's.
I'm
not mad, but I can't eat this whole thing, man.
It's a cheeseburger. Why won't you eat the whole thing? It's gonna look like you bit more if you bite to the side of the bite.
I will eat a burger
Do you
however
always
I want
continue
to.
biting into the same bite? You know you can bite around it too. There's like this side. Like this is more conveniently biting area
Now
right
I'm
here.
just biting the middle to bother you.
No, because this is more conveniently set up to bite the sides. Oh, okay, so now we're on to round 3. The score is 2-2. Tie game. Brandy, you're doing a great job.
Thank you.
You're tied now with me. Okay,
Yes.
It's your turn now to decide if we're switching or keeping.
I'm really nervous now because I just always get the real food, guys. I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna switch.
You're gonna switch? Oh! And we switch in 3,
2, 1. Switch. Okay, reveal. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Yes!
Okay.
Gummy eggs. That's amazing.
Gummy eggs are good. I normally like my eggs scrambled. This is a sunny side up.
You don't like yolk?
I know, it's just like, it's too gooey for me. For my own safety and to have
What?
a sane
I'm sorry.
stomach, I think.
I'm sorry, what?
I'm gonna eat it! Ah!
No!
I'm not gonna.
Yes!
I think I'm gonna. This is like one of the toughest decisions in my life.
Wow.
Oh, I've taken too much time. I'm gonna have to pass. Point goes to Brandy!
Woo!
Okay, so now we're on to round 4. And it's my turn to decide. And I say, I'm always up for the switch. Switch it!
Oh no.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
No way! I'm done. No, there is no way. I do not know how long it's been open. That's the only reason that it's leaking. I mean, if it was like, it was fresh, if it was like,
Oh, that smells awful. That smells terrible.
Why did I switch? Why did I switch? I should have definitely, no. Okay, so with this one, we have gummy fish over here. By the way, I love green, so I'm gonna help Brandy with this one.
Oh man, that was my favorite.
Really? Too bad I ate it. Unless you want, you know. Okay.
No, thank you.
And I have canned fish.
Ew.
Anchovies. I guess this is anchovies. I guess is all canned fish anchovies? This is canned fish.
Oh no, it smells like
I
cat
was joking.
food.
I'm gonna eat it.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
See you later. Okay, round 5.
Oh, that's 10.
Not 10, 5.
Yeah.
The score is 4, 2, 2. And it's your turn to decide.
I'm gonna stay.
I don't have a say, so I think I'm gonna stay too.
3,
2, 1.
Yes!
No, what? No, what? This was once a hot dog that has been laid to rest.
Oh no.
And it's so
Ooh.
sad to see a hot dog in this state. Oh
Aw,
man.
you poor thing.
Someone should have eaten this 4 years ago.
This is like,
Brandy, could you say you're not
dude,
gonna eat it?
no.
And that way we'll call it. We'll be like, hey, we'll call this round. Please?
I think I'm eating it.
No! I'm gonna be
It-
losing now. This is so wrinkly.
Ew.
Wrinkly.
A wrinkly dog.
Okay, I'm sure someone's gonna enjoy this. It's not gonna be me today. I'm
Dang
sorry. I'm losing so
Dude,
badly
so
now.
bad.
No! We are now on to round 6. The score is 2,
2.
5.
Switch that around.
Oh man, my bad.
5, 2, 2.
Switch!
Oh, okay.
And we reveal on 3, 2, 1. Yes! I win! Yes!
I'm
Yes!
not mad at this at all.
What? I didn't even look before I started cheering. So I have gummy fruit. I like gummy fruit. You have a big bowl of fruit.
No, these are delicious. I'm
all
gonna finish
good.
this whole thing.
Really? That's gonna take a while. Let's get the music rolling.
Stop.
And we are on to round 7. The score is 3,
2, 6.
6.
There you
we
go.
did it. Now you can decide if we switch.
Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I just switch.
3. It's rolling around. 2, 1. What?
Yes!
What?
Yes! Oh, yes!
Oh! I love root beer in any form. Oh, these are actually Coke. This is
Nice.
Coke and that's root beer. But I guess these are good. I like
I
these.
needed a nice, refreshing drink, so thank you.
Oh.
That's delicious.
Root beer. Okay, so now that's a point for each of us. 1 point, 1 point.
Woo!
Yay! And we've now finally come to our final round. Round 8. The score is 4 to 7. So here's the problem. There's no way that I can win now. Because
No.
we only have one more thing after this. So are you willing to go 1,000 or nothing?
Fine.
Yes! Brandy's agreed to my challenge. Drum roll. Switch! We have to do this. We switch again.
Oh, no.
This is the final thing. This is probably gonna be really good or really bad.
I think it's gonna be really bad.
I think
probably.
it's gonna be really bad good.
Bad
good?
Good?
But good?
Gad?
Oh, really gad. This is gonna be super gad.
3,
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes!
What?
Oh my god!
Ew! This is not eatable. This is not edible at all.
Oh no! Oh no!
This is
Please
a
stop doing
lie.
that. Stop
I am
it.
not eating this or this because these things are moving. Oh man! A hard pass on this one. The real score is 7,
7,
7,
2,
2, 4. And I lost terribly. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Brandy.
Woo! It was fun.
It was tons of fun. My name's Vitaly. This is Brandy.
I'm Brandy.
This is Pocket Watch.
These are worms.
These are worms. These are gummy worms. You've been watching Gummy Vs Real. Like, subscribe. Tell me what else I should try. And bye.
Bye. Oh, no.